we're gonna make like it's a Thai cooking class today. A traditional Thai dish called musam bread. This is chili paste, ground shallot, and this one is galanga and lemongrass.
Okay. Pork patty.
So how long do you have to cook it to make the pork patty?
How long?
Yeah, how long?
5 minutes maybe.
Not too golden.
Yes, not too golden. It's the next step. Isn't it the next step? เราก็จะเอาไอ้เนี่ยเอาพริกอันนี้ลงไปก่อน fresh herbs you have 3 fresh herbs isn't it first we begin with chili yes the second one lemongrass and galanga and the third one is red shallot grounded red shallot yes mix all 3 together on oil.
What is that? What is that?
This is coconut milk.
That looks like really good.
Imagine
We added the pork into the sauce already.
good flavor. Okay.
What a lovely orange color to it, hasn't it?
Yes. เดี๋ยวจะบอกว่า intervision อันนี้ว่า instead of saying oh I cook by
Into and experience.
Right.
And
Yeah.
experience.
1 2
Yeah.
3 like this 4อันนี้ประมาณเท่านี้นะ4 tablespoons of curry powder this is cumin
Right.
roasted cumin and this one is coriander seed grounded coriander seed the last step
Spice.
yes to keep the flavor of spice